Most kitchen remodels don't go over budget because of bad luck. They go over budget because of avoidable mistakes. Unfortunately, I see the same expensive errors happening again and again. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 kitchen remodel mistakes that cost homeowners thousands and how to avoid every single one of them. If you're planning your remodel, don't make decisions blindly. My ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide breaks down exactly what makes sense at different budget levels, from $5,000 to $50,000, so you can invest your money where it actually matters. You'll find it in the link down in the description. So mistake number 1, customers come in here, they get all excited, they see the cabinets, they start falling in love with the cabinets right away. They like the finish, they like the door style, they want the Lazy Susan, and then sometimes they want to buy already. It's very important that you think about your layout. What's going to fit in your kitchen? Not every kitchen that we have here on display is going to fit inside your kitchen. A lot of time the customers want a Lazy Susan, they want a pantry in there, but your kitchen just doesn't get it. So avoid that mistake. Look at your layout first and be realistic of what's actually going to fit in your kitchen. Mistake number 2 is they forget about installation. Yes, you get excited, you purchase your cabinets, you're finally gonna have your kitchen of your dreams, and then they forget, well, who's gonna put the boxes in? A lot of places will sell you the boxes, but they won't sell the installation. A lot of people gotta go and find a contractor to install the boxes. Now, the biggest mistake that they get is that they don't put a budget for installation costs. When they get hit with that cost, they're like, oh my God, it's gonna cost that much? Yes, for fine quality cabinet installers, you're gonna pay a good price. That goes a long way. There's a lot of people out there that say, oh, I can install the boxes, I'll charge you X amount. You run into a lot of issues. So take into consideration a budget for your installation of your kitchen cabinets. Don't underestimate that and don't leave it out of your budget. Add it on there. Mistake number 3 that I see a lot of people go through is underestimating the construction of your cabinets. Now, that determines a lot where you're gonna sit on how much a kitchen costs. The construction of your cabinets goes a long way. Some cabinets come with like 3/8 construction box, some of them come with the 3/4 box, and some of them come with frame. Each of them are valuable in their own way. But understand that the lower quality material, you're gonna pay less, and chances are within a couple years, you're gonna start seeing those effects of why you paid less. Your finish might start rubbing off, your hardware might start failing, and hopefully your boxes kind of withstand everything. So pay attention to the construction of the box, pay attention to the material that comes with the box, and that's when you're going to know. If you want your kitchen to last over 10 years, go with something that's going to be a little more expensive, but you're going to get a better quality box. Mistake number 4 is that they don't set a budget for themselves. They come in here, they're all excited, they're like, I want this kitchen, and then they start realizing like, wait a minute, everything's adding up. You gotta add the cabinets, gotta add the countertop, gotta add the handles, gotta add the installation. All this costs money. So when you come in here, put together a realistic budget of how much you want to invest in your kitchen, and basically just come in here with a plan. A lot of clients come in here, they get all too excited and they just don't have a budget. Plan a budget, put it together, take that time just with your spouse and just kind of say, hey, this is what we want to spend on this kitchen. This is what we can afford. I know we want all the bells and whistles, but they are very nice stuff at affordable budgets. And if you got the budget, you could go all out and get everything. So plan a budget. And the last mistake that I see constantly, and I always feel bad for a lot of clients, is they hire the wrong contractor. That's a big thing for me. I don't like when people get misguided. I've heard stories from contractors took my money. I hired this contractor and he ran away. I can't find him. He's not returning my phone calls. This contractor doesn't show up to my job. He shows up every so often. He only shows up and works for about an hour and then leaves. Very important. Do your due diligence. Follow up. Check their license. Check to see if they have a actual address, not a P.O. box. So do your research on your contractor. Make sure he's a licensed contractor. Make sure he's bonded. Make sure he has liability. You want to protect yourself. Those are the biggest nightmare stories that I get when clients come up to me. So pay attention to your contractor. That's a big one. I hope you guys take your time and find all those errors or anything that contractor might have. So Those are the big 5 mistakes that I see a lot of clients come in here that face, so hopefully you guys can avoid them. If this helped you avoid costly remodeling mistakes, the next video you should watch is kitchen layout mistakes and how to fix them. I'll link it right here and I'll see you there.